Hi everybody, in this video we are going to talk about the Firefly documentation website and your ability to influence the data that appears in it and your ability to change whatever's in it. So our documentation website is here on doc.fireflymigration.com. In this website you have many texts and videos about how we do things. It's searchable. We think it's cool. You can find things like range or where or many other definitions over here. Now, since this is an evolving knowledge base, we invite you to add data to it. We want to ask you as developers who have ideas about things that we could have done better here, which we are always welcome to listen to, and allow you to contribute changes to it, which we will implement. And let me show you how that's done. Well, first you need to have a GitHub account. I'm using the one of my VP R&D now called SafeBar, so we're going to have a look at that. Next, you need to figure out what you want to change. In this case, I know of a bug that exists over here. I'm going to search for var. I'll go to my var document, and I can see here that there is a deleted line and a new line, but both of them are missing parens and semicolon that me, in the chair of Cephii, would like to fix. So how can you suggest such a change? Well, our documentation site is public on GitHub. So simply go to GitHub and search for Firefly doc, and you'll find our project. Here it is, Firefly doc. Here you have a folder structure that is similar to the folder structures that you can see over here in our pages. So var is under classes, which is under introduction.net, which is under developer kite, which is under development. So let's go through the same tree. I'm going to go to development, developer guide, introducing.net, classes, and I've reached the var document. Great. So here is the text that you're seeing. It's a bit less beautiful in GitHub than it is in our tool because we use some cool things to make it look better. But this document can be edited by you. Simply click on the edit button and you'll be able to edit it. Now we are using here a language called Markdown, which uses these tags and these tags over here to make writing of text relatively easy and simple. To learn more about Markdown, go to this URL, guides.github.com, features, mastering Markdown, or just search for this text. It's a very good tutorial about how to use Markdown. And you can see all of that over here. And there's a million of examples in our website. Just take a file, look at it, and see how it's written. If you need to compare this file to the one we see over here, you can see that the title came from the file name. No, actually from the title that was put over here. If you don't put the title, we'll use the file name. There's some text over here. The code that you'll put between these commas will appear over here in a code section. A code line that will start with a minus will be red, and a code line that starts with a plus will be green. And if you want to include a video, you'll use the embed feature of YouTube and just copy the text over here. It's that easy to do. So let's implement our fix and try to submit it to Firefly. So we're going to say animal, open parens, close parens, semicolon, and open parens, close parens, semicolon, and remove the space over here. Great. Next thing we'll do, we'll preview our change, and it would look okay over here. Of course, we will later review it on the real site when it gets released, but so far it looks like this. Great. We're happy with the way it looks, and we'll propose the file change. Added the parens, however that's spelled, and propose file change. Okay, as soon as you propose it, okay, you will probably do something like this: create pull request, right? Create pull request, perfect. Now that pull request is pending for Firefly's approval. I'll have another window here when I'm logged in as Firefly, so I'm going to go just to it, and I'm going to go to the branch, and I'll be able to see that there is an active pull request. And this is the part that we're going to do inside. You just need to know about it. So 30 seconds ago, Cephii wanted to do a pull request. We can go here. We'll review the code. We'll review the change that you've made. And we look that you removed this and added this. And maybe you want to look at it as, I don't know what that means, view. There's many options here. Ah, cool. Looks great. Sounds great. So I'm going to go back and review change and say approved. Submit review, and then I'll click merge pull request, confirm, And now that's part of our documentation. And next time we'll build our website, the data that we've just added will be included. If we go back to Cephi's user interface, we can see here that the changes were approved and were merged. That's it. That's how simple it is to contribute to our knowledge base. I welcome you to use this and use this a lot. The knowledge base is work in progress. There's more that can be done with it, and we look forward to seeing your changes. Thank you.